Hi guys, welcome back. Right, I just thought I'd have a go at this lock. I've had it a while. It was sent in a package from Baldy Locks, and I found the warding quite interesting. It's not a hard pick, but I don't know if you can see the pins in there. I don't think you can. But the pins sit just underneath this piece of ward in here, so it's quite a delicate pick. So it's called a Vachette. There's the key, not a bad bit in on it, it's lovely and smooth. So we'll have a go at picking him, and I might open this one to have a look at the pins, just because I like this one. Right, let's find something to tension it. That'll do. Mad Bob's pry bar, and we have to just go down this side of the lock to try and set the pins, and like I say, quite gently.
Which side will Hito Matsumo choose?
All feeling quite springy. Pin 1. Don't think I had him set. Let's reset. I don't think I have pin 1 set properly. Okay, let's try again. Pin 1. I think he's set. 2 springy, 3 springy. 4 feels solid. Okay, maybe that's pin 1 now.
Vanished like wild beasts before a storm, leaving only their dead.
They just can't disappear like this. Some must be left. A few to help us.
They help only themselves now. We'd better return to Hanford House where there are corners and shadows.
Alright, that's pin 1, I think. Didn't quite have him. There's 2, 3, 4, or maybe that was 5. There we go, he's open, right? Yes, open. Gotta be really gentle with it, otherwise we get jammed up on the warding. I'm going to open this one up and have a look what the pins are. I didn't feel any serrations or spools or anything like that. I've got a feeling it's all standard, and merely the horrible warding is the main security on it. You never know, but this clip looks like it's just a push on one, so it should come off quite easily. If I can find some pliers. There's some pliers. Okay. Get this bugger off. There we go. Got him. Okay, this follower. Okay, so I don't see any threading or anything in the chamber. Pin 3 there looks very close to the shear line, and then a deeper pin 4, and then very close to the shear line pin 5. So let's have a look at these. Pin 1 actually is serrated. Serrated. Oh, actually it's got a wafer, it's not serrated. It's got a wafer in it. Didn't expect that. Pin 2. Standard. Pin 3 is a double. Seems to have 2 pins in it. Didn't expect that. That's quite large. Pin 4 also has 2 pins in it. A large wafer and a pin. And 5 also has a serrated pin and a large wafer. The serrated pin and a large wafer. In the Bible we have pin 1, just flew out, is a standard. Pin 2 has 2 pins in it, standard and standard. Wow, I've never seen that before. Right, so pin 2 has a large, enormous wafer, and then another one has 2 pins in it. Pin 3 is standard, 4 standard. These all look steel, and 5 is standard. There we go. That's, I've never seen that before. Okay, so we have wafers, large wafers, double pins in the Bible in number 2, serrated pins in, key pins in 5 and, oh yeah, just 5. That what I thought was a serrated pin was actually a pin with a tiny wafer on it. Well, that's interesting. I like that. Okay guys, so that was the Vachette 5 pin. Alright, see you later. Bye.